Hi, my name is Usagi Tsukino. Just kidding, it's Jolie Juless back at it again with another cosplay tutorial. So to start off, I'm going to be using my Maybelline Fit Me Matte Foundation in the shade 110 and putting it all over my face. Next, I'm going to be using the Hudda Beauty Overachiever Concealer in the shade Marshmallow and putting that under my eyes, on my forehead, my chin, and down the bridge of my nose. My friend informed me that this concealer is very brightening and I was scared that I put on way too much and I was gonna be way too white under my eyes. But it ended up turning out really nicely, and this concealer is magical. Now it's time for a cookie break, because you really gotta get into your Usagi persona by eating all the cookies you can find. And do a little happy dance because you're so happy that you have all the cookies. So I'm gonna be setting my concealer with the Hudda Beauty baking powder in the shade Sugar Cookie. And let me tell you, this baking powder smells so freaking good. I was putting it on my face and I was like, wow, what is that delicious smell? And it's the baking powder. It literally smells like a sugar cookie. More cookies. Don't tell nobody because you're literally gonna eat 7 cookies in this tutorial. It's eyebrow time now. So when it came to the eyebrows, I wish I would have practiced covering them up or lightening them in some way, but I didn't, and I had to improvise and just use my normal eyebrow pencil. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the color Taupe. I feel like my right eyebrow is always so much easier to do. Cookie break again. It's a chocolate chip cookie this time. Alright, so now I'm moving on to my eyeshadow, and I'm putting this really light, almost bone color shade all over my brow. I'm using the Modern Renaissance palette, and that is the color Tempura. Now I'm just putting the color Warm Taupe from that palette in my crease and shading it under my eyes too. Usagi doesn't really have very dramatic eye makeup, so I'm going pretty natural for this look. Now I am taking the color Vermeer and just putting that all over my lid. You can always wet your brush with a setting spray to make these like more metallic colors stand out. And I'm just blending everything out to make it look nice and seamless. it's eyeliner time now, and for this look I'm not gonna do my signature winged eyeliner since I want to make my eyes more round. So I'm just taking my Maybelline felt tip eyeliner that's dried out and using it as an applicator for my Maybelline gel liner. Cookies, cookies. Oh yeah, we love cookies. Dr. Pepper break to wash down those dry cookies. Not sponsored by QT. So now I have some fake eyelashes on. I was basically out of the frame the whole time putting them on, so I'm using the House of Lashes in the style Noir Fairy Mini. So now on for bottom liner. I'm using the e.l.f. liquid liner and just lining right under my eyelashes, my bottom eyelashes, and going to about the middle of my eye. I'm trying to make my eyes more round, so I don't want to go all the way to the tear duct. So basically for this tutorial, to get in Usagi's mindset, just eat all of the food you have around you. And I had some Ready Whip available, so why not? For lips, I used the KKW by Kylie Cosmetics in the shade Kiki. This is my first time using one of Kylie's lipsticks, or liquid lips, and I actually really liked it. Thank you so much for watching, and if you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Bye! Me. Done, hopefully.
You're gonna have to cut it. Just cut it. I don't think that one's as cute as the first one. You have it in your hair. What the